Alright, good morning, boys. Today, we're talking about 10 signs that you're a perfectionist. This is a very, 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 very powerful topic. Once you learn what what the fuck? Once you learn what perfectionism is, and how to stop it, you will literally become unstoppable. Okay, let's just jump right into it. Before we get into the 10 signs, I'm going to tell you 10 signs. If you hit at least 10 of these, just kidding, if you hit at least 7 of these, you will undoubtedly know that you're a perfectionist. And this is stopping you from reaching your potential. Let's just jump into the consequences, bro. Being a perfectionist causes depression, causes anxiety. You have a fear of failure. You're afraid that if you try something, you're not going to be able to make it happen. So then you don't try. You get stuck in analysis paralysis, overthinking. And then you have difficulty completing tasks, and then you'll never be successful and rich like I'll be. But I want you to be successful and rich like I'll be. And have an amazing physique like I have. Okay? So let's jump into the 10 signs that you're a perfectionist. If you have at least 7 of these, I got a challenge for you at the end that will break you out of perfectionism. So let's go. Number 1 is you set extremely high standards for yourself and for others. You think that it's a good thing, but it actually cripples you. Trust me, I will show you how to break out of this. You might be thinking, oh, well, it's a good thing to have high standards. But I'm telling you, it's not. And I'm going to show you what you can do instead. Number 2 is you feel anxious or frustrated when you don't get things done perfectly. That's a telltale sign that you have perfectionism. Instead of feeling anxious when things are done perfectly, bro, move forward, bro. Like, think about the Avengers. These motherfuckers come into the city. They stop crime. And they fuck up the whole city and they fucking leave. They bounce out of there. You're like, oh, I gotta keep things nice and neat. Fuck out of here, boy. You're never gonna get anywhere. Number 3 is you start procrastinating on tasks out of fear of not meeting your own standards. Like I said, your standards are too fucking high. You don't even start, bro. Number 4 is you have difficulty delegating tasks because you believe that only you can do it perfectly. So let's say you want to be a YouTuber, bro, and you don't have enough time to get everything done, to do all the thumbnails, the editing, the recording, the speaking, the scripting, and you think only you can do it. You're fucking up, bro. Because you could, if you have that extra money set aside to where you could hire an editor, you wouldn't do it because you're too much of a perfectionist and you're going to hurt your own channel growth. Next, you're overly critical of other people and yourself. You overanalyze everything that you do. And everything that other people do, you judge them, you judge yourself. That slows you down. You're literally wasting mental energy that you could be putting towards your future self. Cut that shit out, bro. 6 is you avoid trying new things out of fear of failure. Maybe there's a job opportunity. Maybe there's a girl you want to go talk to, and you don't know how it's going to go, so you just don't do it at all, bro. Perfectionism. Typical perfectionist. 7, you're experiencing physical symptoms such as tension or headaches related to your perfectionist tendencies, bro. You can even get physical symptoms from this shit. That's how bad it is. 8 is you're struggling with feelings of inadequacy even when you achieve success. Even when you start to see some results, you still don't feel good enough about yourself. This is the biggest reason why perfectionism is bad, because no matter what you achieve, bro, you're always going to be unhappy. That's the whole point of achieving things. That's the whole point of getting a good body, getting money, traveling, having a great girl, is so that you can feel good. But you're never going to feel good with this perfectionism mindset. That's why we got to get to the root of this and get this shit out of here. Number 9 is you feel like your worth is tied to your achievements and your performance. I'm the man because I took a W, because I won this challenge, this Super Bowl. But look, bro, that shit's gonna be gone. Next year, the Super Bowl happens again and your team might not make it. So then you're going to feel terrible because your team didn't make it. Oh, you feel good now, but you're going to feel shit later. You got to learn how to have this internal self-worth that I always feel good, whether I'm up or down, whether I got a lot of money or not. And number 10 is you got a strong need for control in all aspects of your life to ensure that everything is done perfectly according to those high standards we talked about. So now I'm gonna get into a challenge that's going to help you break this perfectionism. It's super simple, super straightforward. You don't gotta think about it, bro. Right here. So the imperfection challenge. Practice imperfection, alright? So what you want to do is you want to purposely make a mistake. Make a small mistake. Or choose not to perfect something minor, like leaving a typo in an email. For example, I didn't do this on purpose, but in the beginning of the video, I stumbled on some word that I said. Then I just rolled with it. You're still watching, so clearly you see that being imperfect, I just did it again. It makes you human, bro. Stop trying to have everything all sorted out. Stop trying to have everything perfect. You never will. So, whenever that happens, notice any discomfort that comes up. When I did that, it was probably a split second of, oh, I fucked up. And then I just kept going. For you, you might be feeling that shit for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 seconds. Notice that discomfort and remind yourself it's okay to be imperfect. This right here, doing this multiple times a day, will desensitize you to the fear of imperfection, which allows you to take more action on the things that matter. Move forward towards your goals. Take action. Fuck being perfect. Take action and move forward, bro. You got this shit. Y'all let me know if I was gonna end the video there. That's funny. Y'all let me know if y'all want. What was I gonna say? Y'all let me know if y'all want more videos like this. If you want me to go deeper into the root causes of imperfection. That's some deep level shit. But if y'all are ready for that, I'll give it to you. I'll give the people what they want. Alright? That's it. Peace.